Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have a 2020 Softail Street Bob to show you. It is in the Billiard red and vivid black two-tone paint. Got the 107 engine. This one has had a stage 1 done to it, so you got a Screaming Eagle high flow intake, some Bassani true dual exhaust that sounds really good. Other than that, you've got some taller bars on here with the Harley-Davidson Kahuna collection grips. Real nice grips. Good looking bars. I think they're around a 13 or 14, somewhere in that range. Really comfortable height. Look really good on this style of bike. Tires are in good shape. Pretty much all the service and everything has been done here. It's a local trade-in. Bike has been very well taken care of. Still got, stock turn signals, that kind of stuff. Less than 4,000 miles. Yep, 3,710 miles.